Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Snehal and I make videos on fashion, lifestyle and beauty. So I am here with yet another highly requested video for you all. So in today's video, I am going to be sharing with you guys affordable skincare that actually works and which is under rupees 300 only. So I'm super excited to share this video with you all guys. So without any further ado, let's just jump into the video and let's get started. Before getting started with the video, I would like to give a little disclaimer here. I'm not a skin expert or dermat. This is my personal experience with the products and I am going to share my honest opinion about the product based on my personal experience. So if in case any of you want to try any of these products, please do patch test first. I would highly recommend that. So the first product in the list is from my most favorite skincare brand. Any guesses? No prize for the guesses, guys. So this is the Simple Micellar Cleansing Water I'm talking about. This is the product and it retails for rupees 110 only, so it comes in our budget of under 300 rupees. This is an amazing micellar cleansing water. This is one of Simple's newly launched products, and before that I have used their Simple micellar cleansing wipes also, and I have been a huge fan ever since. You must have seen in all my previous videos. So when I saw this baby launched, I had to give it a try, and this is such a nice travel friendly size packaging and so easy to carry, affordable and gives amazing results. This is so gentle on the skin. Now I'm just going to read it for you guys. This has no artificial perfumes or colors, no harsh chemicals, and it does not upset your skin. It doesn't have alcohol, so this is very gentle on your skin, and this is even meant for the sensitive skin also, so even sensitive skin people can go for this one. It removes every trace of makeup from your skin without stripping the moisture from your skin, and so gentle and so beautiful. I would highly recommend this. The second product in my list is by Tony Moly and it's their Timeless Ferment Snail Eye Mask. So I don't have the physical packaging of the mask with me right now to show you guys because I've already thrown it away, but I'm going to attach a picture for your reference, and I'm also going to attach a picture of me wearing that mask so you'll get to see how it looks on your face and how the mask is in real. And when it comes to masks, actually any kind of face mask or any kind of sheet mask, I don't really expect much from the masks because I feel that they are only meant to refresh your skin and make it look a little brighter and give you that instant boost of refreshment to your skin, and that's all. But this mask, oh my gosh, I mean, I was in awe of this one. I mean, I was so impressed with this mask. It reduced the puffiness of my eyes, it instantly brightened up my eyes, and it hydrated and moisturized my under eye area so well. I mean, I could see the difference in my pictures also, and it lasted for a really long period of time. For about 7 to 8 days the effects lasted, and it took care of my fine lines and wrinkles around my eye area. I could see the decreased appearance of my fine lines and wrinkles, and that was a plus point for me. I was totally blown away by this mask and I would highly recommend it to each and everyone. Now this retails for rupees 250 and I think it is the best one and it is worth every single penny. I think you should definitely give it a try. The next product in my list is again by Tony Moly and it's their Pureness Sheet Mask, and this is also the snail sheet mask. I mean, I have tried many masks available in the market. I have tried right from Innisfree, Face Shop, Garnier, all the masks that are available in the market. I have tried most of them, and then I came across this one and I'm hooked on this one ever since. I'm totally in love with this one. This adds tons of hydration to your face. This soothes your skin so well and makes your skin so nourished. I mean, whenever you have any special event or whenever you want to pamper your skin, this is the mask for you guys. This will just make your skin something else. It will add that magic to your skin and make it look so radiant and glowy. This is my cult favorite of all times. This mask makes your skin look so plump and bouncy. I like to use this mask in the night time and I like to sleep on with it. I mean, I just cleanse my face, apply this mask and just remove the sheet later on after 15-20 minutes and massage the remaining essence into my skin and just sleep with that, and I wake up with a glowing and brighter looking and so healthy looking skin. The snail essence is considered as one of the best essence in Korean skincare and it has many proven benefits for your skin, one of which is anti-aging. So I would highly recommend that you give it a try. I'm sure you'll also fall in love with this one. Next up on my list is a moisturizer. This is a moisturizer by Cetaphil. It's the Daily Advanced Ultra Hydrating Lotion for face and body, and this was actually prescribed to me by my dermat long ago when I had really dry and flaky skin. So it was prescribed to me by my dermat, and I have fallen in love with this baby ever since. Whenever my skin feels extra dry, I always reach out for this moisturizer. This is like my ultimate favorite staple skincare product, and I just can't do without this. This has been my holy grail product since a really long time. Now this is a dermatologically tested product, so this is suitable for all skin types. This provides 24 hours of moisturization. It is non-greasy and non-irritating, and it is hypoallergenic, so it won't clog your pores. So this is super gentle on your skin, and all skin type people, even the sensitive skin type people, can go for this moisturizer. I would highly recommend this one if you have extremely dry skin. This is the moisturizer for you guys. This retails for rupees 185, and it will last for about one and a half month easily. So do give it a try, guys. I would highly recommend this. Next up on my list is this aloe vera gel by Moha. This is one of the best, actually I would say the best aloe vera gel I have ever used so far. So I just love this one. This is such a multi-purpose product, and this is by the brand Moha. It is a homegrown Indian brand, and the quality of this product is just amazing. It does have a little bit of fragrance in it, but I personally love the fragrance of this. I find it very refreshing and so pleasing, so I too love the fragrance of this one. It is enriched with rose and cucumber also, and what else can I say? This is such a multi-purpose product, guys. You can use this product in many ways. You can use it as a moisturizer, you can use it as a sleeping mask, as a hair mask, you can use it as a hand cream, you can use it to soothe your sun rashes and sunburns. This is such an amazing product, one holy grail product you should definitely have with you. Ever since I have used this product, I always have it stocked up because I don't want to run out of this product ever, and this retails for rupees 99 only. I mean, I don't even have to say anything, you just have to give it a try, and I'm sure you'll fall in love with this one. Alright guys, so I'm going to come up with the part 2 of this video as well pretty soon. So let me know in the comment section down below if you like this video, and if you would like to watch more such videos on affordable skincare and makeup and budget friendly skincare and makeup. Do let me know in the comment section down below, and hit that subscribe button, guys, and hit the like button for this video as well. So every time I post a video, you will get notified. So I'm going to end my video here, guys, and I'm going to see you in my next one. Bye!